Hello everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening drive time update, guys. The sun's gone down, the rain has come out, and it's waiting for tomorrow for the sun to shine and cryptos to go to the moon, guys. So a lot of you out there you're looking at the markets and probably thinking, what's going on with altcoins? What's going on with altcoins? You know, it's like you're saying, I've never seen this before. Well, you're right. We haven't really seen this before. Last time we saw this was in 2017, and we saw something very similar happen where Bitcoin dominance is super high, and the altcoins were just going flat and actually losing steam against Bitcoin. And, what happened in 2017 is that BTC had a meteoric rise. We had very high dominance for Bitcoin. And then what happened is Bitcoin had a correction. Bitcoin dominance dropped, and then the altcoins just went wham, and they went to the moon, guys. And that's what we're going to see happening, and I believe it's going to happen, and we've seen a lot of evidence. Go back to my previous video. We actually show you some data and some fractional data that actually supports that. Also, we're seeing that Plan B has just printed his end-of-year targets again. And we also saw that on Thursday, SHIBA INU, printed 40% increase despite, whales were dumping the SHIB coin, but things are still okay. And also, we're seeing that BTC hits 57K today. We're going to talk about Michael Vanderpoel and what he thinks about and where Bitcoin's going to go. He's looking pretty bullish, and we're going to talk about that. In Venezuela, you're going to be able to buy all airline tickets using crypto very shortly. And then the Bank of England warns all financial institutions that they shouldn't be adopting crypto. And then one final thing that we're going to talk about is that the Korean opposition has now put another bill forward to counteract the bill that the government put in to tax crypto. So their bill is kind of, the opposition bill in Korea is saying that we don't want to tax crypto, so they want to delay the regulation that's coming out of crypto. So then also we got the Gary Gensler and the whole Fed and their regulation that we're still waiting for. So hopefully we get some clarity on that. And then the infrastructure bill, who knows when that's going to happen? The rumor is end of October. We might see something out of that. So the more they delay, I'm happy about that, because last thing we need is more regulation. So guys, just remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So do your own risk management. You got to do that. Remember, it's your money, it's not my money. Make sure that you secure your cryptocurrency on whatever exchange you're using. Turn on two-factor authentication, and don't have two-factor authentication, which is SMS to your phone. Okay? Because that's ain't smart. Use Google Authenticator, Authy, or use a hardware authentication tool, whatever you have at hand. But don't use SMS, because your phone SIMs can be cloned. So don't do that, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the content. This is going to be a pretty quickie video. I had my injection yesterday, so I'm feeling a little bit wonky, a little bit funky out there. So guys, don't forget to go and smash the likes. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video. Remember, this video would not be possible without you, my beautiful people out there in YouTube land. Smash the likes, show the OG some love. Show me some love right now, because you know you want it. And guys and gals, don't forget to subscribe, YB in the house, and go down there and make a comment, guys. We need the algorithm. You need to feed the algorithm three things. You need to feed it the likes, we need to feed it the subscribe button, and feed it the view, and feed it the comments, guys. So do that. And remember, keep watching these videos. Go all the way back, watch all my other videos. And if you have time, re-watch the videos again and again and again. And you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. I'm going to love it. I'm shouting from the roof, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. So as I said, Plan B, he's repainted the end of year targets, and this is S&P, and it looks like $100,000 coming in. If you look at the stock to flow model, I'm pretty sure that everyone's sure that it's gonna happen. And I think this bull run is going to continue on till January, and I think altcoin season is going to start to pop off in November, and it could run as long as January 2022. We could see the altcoin season foamy, frothy, and going to the moon in January 2022. And I think it's going to start getting heated up in November, guys. So don't panic if you start to see the altcoins just kind of going sideways or going down a little bit. But this is a great time to be bargain hunting. You should always be bargain hunting, dollar cost averaging into any of your positions that you're underwater with in terms of your strike price. And that's the way you do it. Have diamond hands, and the altcoin season is absolutely going to pop off. You know, when we get $100,000 Bitcoin, can you imagine? You know, we're going to see altcoins going up 4x, 5x, 6x. You know, we could see stuff going up 1,000%. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is OG in the house, just expressing opinion. I'm just telling you what I think, what I feel. And, you know, based on my experience, you know, I'm telling you how it is, guys. So we also saw that Shiba Inu rebounds 40% despite major selling by SHIB whales. And we kind of seen this behavior that, you know, we can see that Shiba price retraces after every 1 million to 10 million addresses dumped. So it seems that a lot of the retail investors, when SHIB went down, they dumped all of their coins. But as soon as that happened, we had a retracement and things went back up 40%. So SHIB has come back pretty good. So, that, you know, it's okay. I mean, just, you know, full disclosure from OG. I don't hold any Shiba Inu coin, but the reason I'm covering is because a lot of my subscribers like this coin and they want me to cover. So I'm just doing what a community wants. I'm covering. So right now Shiba Inu is at 29.22, and we had this descending triangle. We broke out of it, went up the upside, and then I did give you some targets here. And 29.2, bang, we hit that target exactly as I told you we would. And if you'd have bought in this zone here, and you'd put you know, if you'd put in a buy order here and here and here, you'd be doing good, guys. So, sorry, if you put your buy order in here and then put a sell order here and a sell order here and a sell order there, you'd be doing good if you're trading. I don't trade, but that's the way I used to do it, because I used to do a lot of trading many years ago when I was younger, didn't have any gray hair. And so what I would do to set this trade signal up is very simple. I would buy here, okay, and then I would sell 30% here. I would sell 40% here, and you know, and then the balance here, and then I'd have a stop loss right here at 2666. So if you'd have done what I said yesterday, and put in a buy order here, and then put in a sell order here, and ladder it in, you guys would be making money. But I don't trade. I am an investor. I diamond hands, I dollar cost average into stuff. So that's looking pretty good for the SHIB. Other stuff that's coming in right now, we saw that Bitcoin hit 57-month high, and at 5-month high at 57,000. Jesus, vaccine's kicking in. King, king, king. Come on, get your brain on. So we saw that BTC hits 57,000 K today, and that was a 5-month high, you know. So that's pretty good, guys. And you know, some things to be watching. I think that we're going to get closer to the final resistance, and once we start getting into 61,000, which is a new resistance level, you know, 64.5 is just around the corner. And we're also seeing that altcoins are lagging, and I keep telling you that do not worry about that. Altcoins are lagging because Bitcoin dollars is super high, and don't worry about it. And we had a huge wick down. We had a huge wick down right here, and this was on Bitstamp, and this was basically, as I said in the previous video, this was the whales. They pumped the price up, then they dumped it. And what they did is they did that to scare you, Retail Joe and Retail Nancy, out of your Bitcoins. They wanted you to drop your coins, and like that. They wanted the weak Nancy's to wet the bed and go running for the hills. But, you know, I'm so proud of all of my community, all my YouTube communities out there, all of my subscribers, that you guys didn't panic. You guys didn't wet the bed. Yeah, I had a couple comments in my groups like, "What's going on, OG?" This was just a flash crash, and it was only on Bitstamp. It wasn't any other exchange, just Bitstamp. And, you know, I'm not calling out Bitstamp, but Bitstamp, this is not the first time they do this kind of thing, okay? So they probably did this for two things. They wanted to wreck the BTC longs, and, you know, they wanted to be able to buy the Bitcoin cheap. So that's what they did. And, you know, so, but it didn't shake out any of the paper hands, because a lot of the paper hands, they got shook out a long time ago. And anybody that's left are diamond handers right now. So Bitcoin is trading at 56,559 on the Bitstamp price. And on the 4 hour, it's at 56,569 too. We have this bull flag, and I said we're going to be breaking out, and we're doing exactly that. We went past 56,000 as I told you would, and then our next target is at 61,000. And then once we hit 61,000, then our all-time high is just around the corner. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get the all-time high soon, and then we'll probably be range bound, and then we'll probably close off the month. I think Plan B is saying 63. It's conservative. I think we could go 68,000 in the house. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I can smell 68,000 Bitcoin. Charles, where are you, Charles? I can smell $68,000 Bitcoin incoming, guys. What do you guys think about that? So, and this is Michael Vanderpope, and he's also saying that, he's anticipating you know, a $75,000, $100,000 Bitcoin coming in very shortly, guys. So, you know, Michael Vanderpool, Willie Will, William Clemente, Plan B, the OG, we're all saying $100,000 Bitcoin. Definitely 100% coming in. Some people are saying 250, 275. I mean, if it goes beyond 100,000, I'm happy. My Charles is going to be celebrating to the moon. I call my Bitcoin Charles, by the way. So in case you wonder who I'm talking about. And some other stuff that's going on, you know, we can also see here that the altcoin season has not started. This usually signals the end of the altcoin season. This is when we had this run up in April here, and we had a bit of a altcoin pump. And you know, the altcoin season hasn't started, guys, and we're definitely going to go there. Altcoins all-time lows versus Bitcoin. And you know, guys, do not worry, we're going to go up there, guys. Altcoin season haven't even started. Some other news that's coming is travelers will be able to purchase airline tickets with cryptocurrency in Venezuela, so that's going to be pretty cool. So in Venezuela, you'll be able to buy any airline ticket using cryptocurrency. So that is cool beans. So hopefully, you know, Venezuela, hopefully they'll accept Bitcoin as legal tender. Brazil should be doing that. And I think we're going to see a lot of countries in Africa and other developing countries start to declare Bitcoin as legal tender. And that's going to be the catalyst that's going to change everything. Once we get this ETF, you know, I'm thinking that we're going to get an ETF this month. Hey, if you guys think we're going to get an ETF, make a comment. Tell me when we're going to get our first ETF. Don't forget to smash the likes right now, subscribe, and don't forget the super chats in the house, guys. You know you want it. Some other news that's coming out right now is that Bank of England issues warning to financial institutions of thinking about cryptocurrency. So basically, this is the man. He's just telling the banks, don't think about adopting cryptocurrency because we don't like it, because we think it's a threat to our sovereignty, our nation, our financial future. So basically the man, he don't want to give up control, and that's why they're saying don't adopt crypto. So, you know, we got some banks like NatWest and other banks, HSBC. HSBC is actually positive on crypto, but we got some high street banks in the UK like NatWest and stuff that are like, no, we're not crypto. But then you've got other banks like, you know, Revolut and stuff like that in the UK, and you can buy crypto right off their platform, guys. So, and you got PayPal in the UK, you can buy crypto right off their platform. Keep in mind that with Revolut and PayPal, you don't actually own the physical crypto because they don't allow you to send it. Same, like it's kind of like the Robinhood deal right now. So you don't actually have the physical crypto. It's more like an ETF kind of version of the crypto. So if you want to get your crypto out, you got to send it. You got to change it to fiat in PayPal and Revolut, and then whatever. But then you're gonna pay a lot of fees, right? Okay, fees. We hate the fees. So that's pretty good. So, you know, basically Bank of England, they're like, yeah, we're running scared. We're running scared because the crypto train's coming. The crypto train's coming, and it's going to destroy the sovereignty in the financial world. Oh, scary crypto. Just let them be. You know, a lot of noise. But at the end of the day, crypto's here to stay. At the end of the day, crypto's here to stay. Whoop, whoop. And South Korean opposition bill against crypto tax aims to delay the implementation. So, you know, the current government in South Korea, they have this huge big, let's tax crypto up to the yin and yang and beyond. And the opposition bill, they've put in another bill and they said, we don't want the crypto tax. So it's delaying implementation. So I guess if you're in Korea, that's good news, right? Because you don't want to pay tax. So, you know, guys, remember to keep your eyes on regulations. You know, it's coming. Regulation is coming. You can't hide from it. You absolutely can't hide from it. The fear and greed is still 71, guys. The market cap is at 2.359 trillion. I think we're going to get up to 3.5 pretty soon. And you know, we've talked about SHIB already. We've talked about Doge. Let's take another look at the Doge. So right now, Doge is forming this bull flag. We need to break out of it. And right now, Doge is at 23.36. Now, a lot of people are just saying, "Oh, what's going on with the Doge?" Well, a couple of things have happened. Because we've had so much hype and attention. I mean, if we look at the Google Trends for Shiba Inu, you can see the Google Trends is off the wall. And we've also seen that a lot of people have moved out of Doge, moved into Shiba Inu. So once Shiba Inu goes down and all the limelight comes off, then people will move back. Also, I think whales right now are actually also keeping the price down, and I believe that Shiba Inu is absolutely set to break out, guys. I think Shiba Inu will be breaking out. We're going to be going to the moon with this baby pretty soon, guys. I'm pretty confident that Doge is going to break out very soon, guys. Everything is leading up to a huge explosion, and we've seen this time and time again. And I talked about it I did talk about it in an earlier video this morning, and we can see similar patterns. If you go all the way back to April, we saw this kind of going sideways, explosion, and we're kind of seeing a lot of sideways action right now for come on chart, what are you doing? My chart's not working out for me. So we've seen this kind of behavior before, where it just goes meanders, and then explodes. Meanders, explodes. So we've had a pretty long descending triangle and things really just going down, guys. And we also saw that way back here. Let me see if I can zoom into that. We also saw that way back here as well, where we saw like similar kind of behavior, where it just kind of went sideways and boom. So we're seeing the same kind of pattern kind of, forming for Dogecoin here as well. And I just believe that it's just a matter of time before we see that, 100,000, 1,000% upside. And, some people are even saying like, $1 is possible, $3 is possible for Doge. So you can see on the daily, Doge is printing some really good green candles right now. So Doge at 23.46. So don't discount the Doge. We have this bull flag that's forming. We have overhead resistance right here at 25.529. I mean, right now, Doge is pretty boring. I mean, I got to tell you the honest truth. Doge is pretty boring. It's really not doing anything. It's really just kind of range bound right now. And it's kind of range bound between like 22 and 25 cents. And that's what's happening. We need a big impulse to the upside for the Doge to giddy on up. But Doge is setting itself up to explode. I think we could even see, as I talked about earlier, we could see like 1,000% increase. I mean, some people said that Doge is going to explode like it did in April. And we're seeing that the fractals in April are looking pretty similar to where we are now. And I believe that, definitely we're going to see something absolutely going to the moon. We're going to see it going to the moon. And we're seeing something pretty similar, guys. And we're definitely going to be exploding pretty soon. So I'm pretty confident that you should be too, guys. So don't panic. Don't get bent out of shape. Keep holding your Doge. Keep dollar costing average. Jeez, this vaccine is getting to my brain. King. So keep dollar cost averaging into your positions, reduce your strike price, and get ready for a massive pump. I still love the Doge. I'm not selling my Doge because Doge is not only a cryptocurrency, it's also about doing good every day, guys. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about giving back to the community. It's about spreading the good vibe and Dogecoin to the moon. Literally, we're going to get it. I believe it. And you guys can hate the OG, but I am sure we're going to do it, guys. I'm sure we're going to do it. We're going to get it. And so we talked about Bitcoin already. Bitcoin's still looking pretty good. We got the whales dumping. We talked about that. Bitcoin's at 56.779. I think we're going to get back at the 57K pretty soon, guys. Ethereum is starting to come back right now. It's at 3,586. And it's trying to make itself into this wedge here, this channel. If it does that, then we're going to explode. We got some resistance at 36.90. So we're going to get there, guys. Do not be Debbie Downers. Do not be weak Nancy's. The altcoins are absolutely going sideways. It's completely boring right now. ADA, same kind of deal. It's $2.21. It's also kind of range bound right now. And ADA is really range bound between like, 215 and 225. And that's what's going to happen. And the alts are not popping up because Bitcoin dollars is too high. Same with Solana, same kind of deal. It's kind of range bound between like 147 and 154. So don't expect too much. And right now it's at 149. It's below my line in the sand, and it's just like going back and forth, ping pong. So do not panic, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. It's 2.38 trillion. The volume is 84.34, and the dominance is 44.76. It's crazy high. And we saw this kind of same behavior in 2017. It went all the way up. Dominance was super high. Bitcoin hit all-time highs. Then there was a correction. Dominance tanked because people took all their profits out of Bitcoin, moved it into altcoins, and then that started the altcoin season. And it was frothy, it was foamy, and it was on fire, guys. So don't panic. Let's take a look at the markets in the house right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 3.22%, and it's at 56,644, and it's up 24% for the whole week, guys, for the whole month, guys and gals. Ethereum is still underperforming Bitcoin on the monthly, on the weekly, and the daily, and it's at 3,586. ADA, ADA is just, it's so underperforming Bitcoin right now. It's not even funny. It's $2.22. So I know you're probably getting tired of ADA. BNB is also underperforming Bitcoin for the day and for the month, and it's at 319. Solana is underperforming as well for the month, for the week, and for the day, and and it's trading at 149. I still think this is a good time to pick up Solana. Some bargains to be had, so go bargain hunting as well. DOT is not faring too bad, but it's still underperforming Bitcoin, and it's down 2.35%. It's at $35 right now. Doge is also underperforming Bitcoin. It's also underperforming Bitcoin on the weekly as well. So it's not looking good, and it's at $3, and it's down 3.52%. So all you can do is just hold, diamond hands. I know you guys are bored, heard of the OG. What are you talking about? OG is just kind of stuck there. It's stuck. It is. You're just gonna have to wait. That's all there is to it. That's all you got to do is just wait. Okay. If you don't want to wait, that's not my problem. Okay. And then SHIB in the house. The SHIBA INU coin is at 29. That's up 14%. It's 198%, and it's 321%. So this is pumping, guys, and it's a lot of retail people are FOMOing into it, and just be careful with that one. Luna is also down for the 7 days, 16%. It's down for the day, 5%. It's at 39.84. This is also a good pickup. I'll be picking this up. Uni, I don't want to touch it because SEC is all over that. And Avalanche, I would be picking that up as well. It's 57.64. It's also down today. So overall, you can see that most of the altcoins are just down. Down. So all you can do is sit back, either wait if you got any cash on the sidelines, buy the dippy whippies, and bargain hunting. We got lots of dips. You got triple dips, quadruple dips, double dips. You got dips everywhere, guys. So it's a dippy time. So guys, go buy the dips or just stand on the sidelines, but don't panic sell. The altcoin season is coming. It will pump. So do not panic. Do not panic, guys. Do not panic in the house. Just got to be patient, okay? So with that being said, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Follow. Do it right now. Follow the OG on the Twitter. And God bless you all. Much love, because you guys made it to the end of the video. And thank you for watching from the start to the finish. And do not forget to do one thing. Go right down there. Ding, 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 ding. And smash the like. Show some love at OG in the house. I appreciate it. Show some love at OG. And don't forget to make a comment and subscribe. YB. And don't forget to check out my links. We've got tons of links at the bottom. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. All the memberships, all the coffees, all go to charity. Check out the merch. We got tons of merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got polo shirts. We've got the mug. Get the mug. Get the backpack. And don't forget to check out the wife's channel. Zen Music in the house. Go there and subscribe, baby. And and if you do subscribe, send a note, say you're from the OG's channel. I'll give you a big shout out. So with that being said, I just want to say this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! Giving you some love, the crypto love in the house. And I just want to say God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining this crazy antics, fun-filled video. And it's a great time to be alive. And hopefully I feel better tomorrow, guys. And so God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning, Vietnam time. All right, guys. I'll see you. Be blessed. Be well. See you in the next one. It was fun. It was great. It was amazing. It was Dogecoin to the moon time.